What's up, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how I put together the power and electric system in the car so that we can charge our electronic devices and run our fridge 24/7. Here are the clips. So I decided to mount the 25 amp DC-DC charger onto the side of the battery box just to save some room in the car and to keep it all compact and close together. I drilled some 5mm holes and then used some button head bolts from that side and some spring washers and nuts just to fasten it down on there. It's nice and tight, it's not going anywhere. I'm going to tape these down just so that they're not dangling around, be a bit safer. And then the battery is just going to sit right in there. I'm going to hook it all up and let you know how it goes. So if you don't know what a battery box is or what a DC-DC charger does, basically the battery box holds a battery like a car battery, and it has a bunch of ports on it so we can plug all our stuff in, charge it. It also is what the fridge is plugged into to keep that running 24/7. And the DC-DC charger basically regulates the amount of charge that goes into the battery so that the battery doesn't overcharge, which damages it. There's two ways of charging the battery: with a solar blanket when it's sunny, and then a wiring kit from the alternator in the front of the car to the back of the car that we plug in when we're driving so that it charges while we drive. Now on to the next clip. Went ahead and taped up all the wires so that they don't get caught on anything. Got the battery in the box. Now I'm going to install the lid on it and let you know how it goes. I've got the lid hooked up to the terminals on the battery and the Anderson plug for the DC-DC hooked up. Now for the moment of truth. Alright, I hooked all the terminals up, plugged it in. It is blinking, so we are good. On, it is displaying 12.9 volts. Now I need to just chuck it in the car, get the fridge going. Today I decided to test out the fridge and plugged it into the battery box, and it was working perfectly fine. It got nice and cold within a couple hours. I plugged in the wiring kit that we have into the battery box to see if it charged the battery while we were driving around yesterday, and it did not, because I didn't realize there is no negative wire on this wiring kit. So we are having to get a new one installed tomorrow. It's got a negative and a positive. So hopefully that will charge the battery while we drive around. This is the solar blanket. It's nice and sunny today, so I decided to test it out and make sure that works at least. And it seems to be working perfectly fine and charging up the battery box. So all we need to do is get the wire kit fixed and everything should run and power smoothly. I just got the car back from the shop, and all they did was add a black wire like I said we needed, and everything is working perfectly fine. We are ready to hit the road today, and I didn't even need the new wiring kit. I'm gonna take that back. Let's go. Now pack the car and we're on the road. Thank you guys for watching this short little video. I hope you learned a few things. Make sure you drop some comments down below, leave a like, and subscribe for more content, and we'll see you in the next video.